Hello everyone, it's good to have you here. I promise I'm going to try and keep this subject as interesting as possible. The session that I'm going to be taking is on brand management. Now let's just run through the index quickly. So we have introduction to branding as our first topic. Now branding on the whole is very interesting. We have brands all around us, and in introduction to branding we'll be understanding basically that what differentiates a product, a normal product, from a brand. We'll be understanding the different levels of products, and we'll be understanding how branding originated, the history of branding, and a lot more as in when we go to it. Then next we have creating a brand. Here we'll be understanding the different elements that make a brand. For example, the name, the logo, the color, the brand mascot. So all of these elements that actually create a brand. Then in organizational culture for successful brand management, we'll actually go through the culture that is required in order to manage a brand successfully. Now we have a lot of stories for this as case studies that we'll be going through. The next is brand equity. Now brand equity is the worth of a brand. The word equity means worth. So this is going to be like money that you're actually keeping in the bank, and you're measuring the money in the next chapter to know how well your brand has done. That's like the report card coming out for the brand. Then next we have consumer behavior and brand buying decisions. Now we as normal consumers, what motivates us to buy a brand? So this is the chapter that deals with that. The next chapter is brand positioning. In that we have something called the image that the brand creates in consumers' minds. So brand positioning deals with that. The next chapter is branding in the marketing program, where we have the 4 P's. Marketing program deals with product, price, place, promotion. The 4 P's which we understand in marketing, the heart and soul of everything in marketing, the 4 P's. So in branding and marketing program, we'll be understanding 3 of those P's: product, price, and place. And in branding and marketing communication, we'll go through the 4th P, that is the promotion. Promotion is done through communication. Then next we have e-branding, the hot topic, which is online branding. Brands are marketed online as well, electronic branding, so that's why e-branding. And finally we have a case study on the Aditya Birla Group that shows that how brands can actually go across borders and create a mark. They are geographically present in the nook and corner of the world. And finally, my dear friends, we are going to be going through a branding quiz, which is going to be about identifying logos and taglines, and a lot of fun. So this is a brief introduction about the entire brand management topic, and I truly hope that you enjoy this journey as much as I'm going to enjoy myself teaching you. So let's begin.